Good evening everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living post-market live session. 20th of February, Tuesday, Fin Nifty expiry day. Before going into the Fin Nifty chart, let us start off with the Nifty chart. That is where the action was today. This is the settlement week chart. Nifty on the 1 hour time frame, which is currently in the downtrend, but today it has convincingly cleared the old high of 22,126 and has comfortably closed above 22,200. For this settlement, it has made the low of 21,968 and you can see the price action today. Having opened on Friday around 21,950 levels. From there on, it has been trying to go higher. Yesterday also it gave one attempt to cross the old all-time high. It came down a little bit, but today it made no mistake, and towards the end by 3:30 it had very comfortably closed above 22,200. Bank Nifty on the hourly chart, the settlement week chart, which started off last Thursday, you can see here all week it has been going higher only, and it had a breakout level at 46,181. It has comfortably stayed above 46,181, and in this settlement it has traveled almost 1000 points from the breakout level. So breakout level was taken out on 15th of Feb. In last 5 days it has taken out about 1000 points net upward movement. Generally we have seen these days Bank Nifty doing more than 1000 points intraday itself, and even some days there were the range, intraday range was about 1300 to 1400 point. But what matters is at the end of the week or at the end of the month or at the end of the day, what is the net gain that the market has made or the net loss that it has taken. So based on that, if you see from the beginning of last settlement and from the breakout level, this week Bank Nifty has given a clear 1000 points upward movement and a very good trending and one-sided move throughout the week. So this is very key observation that we need to keep in mind. This is how the trending market behave. Once they give the breakout, they will not dilly-dally around the breakout level, which means it's a clear indication that it may not sustain. But these kind of breakouts where it takes the breakout and 1, 2, 3 days it continuously catches up with the previous momentum and keeps going higher. So these are genuine breakouts, and the way the Bank Nifty chart is now looking above 47,000, I have a strong feeling this has got some more upside and probably it is headed towards the all-time high once again. By then Nifty would have crossed probably 22,400 or 500 levels, but Bank Nifty is not very far off from the all-time highs. This was the Fin Nifty today. It had one buy signal towards the end. It has closed above that. Fin Nifty expiry, weekly expiry. In fact, it's better we see the Fin Nifty chart. You can see here it had an intraday breakout of 20,772. Yeah, it had an intraday breakout at 20,772, and for the large part of the time it was hovering around 20,750 levels. But once it took out the day's high, it did not waste much time, and towards the end you can see the kind of volume that it has made and closed at 20,850 levels. A big close for Fin Nifty also, which means all these other non-banking stocks, it could be Bajaj Finance, it could be Bajaj Finserv, it could be other major players in the insurance domain, or the HDFC AMCs, SBI Life Insurance. These are the kind of stocks which has actually done well, which reflects in this Fin Nifty chart. So tomorrow we are heading into Bank Nifty expiry, and day after it will be the Nifty expiry. What is expected out of tomorrow's Bank Nifty expiry? See, the trend is very clear. It is going higher and higher each day, and tomorrow it might once again open higher, but it may not sustain too much. It has already made more than 1000 points rally. It might do another 200-300 points, and from there on it might fall little bit. There may not be, based on the chart setup that it has closed today, I have a feeling it may not have a big down move tomorrow. In all probability, there is not much of short squeeze that might happen tomorrow, mainly because the trend is very clear, and whatever the short players are there, they would have already covered, and they would have played the long game, or they would have moved their shorts to higher levels. And if they have moved their shorts to higher levels, then my feeling is 47,400 will be the level where it might stop based on the PCR and the options chain data. So keep in mind, tomorrow Bank Nifty expiry, the chart as of now on the hourly time frame looks very good. Tomorrow we have to look into the intraday chart, but it might open well and it might go slightly higher, but there may not be a very big movement in tomorrow's Bank Nifty expiry. So that is the major thing that we need to keep in our mind while playing in the morning session. Other than that, there will be few stocks which will be doing well. If you have any query on any of the stocks, you can put in the query and we will see the chart and we will tell you how the chart looks. So that's it from my end. Let us once again see tomorrow, either during the market hours or post market hours. And hopefully you are liking the content that is coming out of this channel. If you are liking the content, do subscribe to the channel, do share the channel with fellow traders, and come back more often. Let us once again catch up tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.